when you're loving me. I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never, baby. Can you rock with me?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae, and today we're going to be doing a contact haul. We are going to be doing the brand TTDEYE contacts. So they are a color contact brand. They make costume contacts and they also make prescription contacts. I have about probably 9 different looks that I can show you guys. I love wearing these contacts because of the colors that I get. The colors look so realistic. They look so good. So yeah, let's jump into this video. I'm going to put on the first pair, show you guys, and we're going to get started. So yeah, keep watching. Hey y'all, the next clip I'm going to show you guys the product that I use to apply my eye contacts. So keep on watching. I normally only use this to apply the contacts, and then I use this to clean the contacts. I will have all this listed in the description box.
That you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If a girl only knew that you was dissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone, probably curse you out and unplug her phone. She'd be mad that she was gone, you were gone, and she wouldn't have to worry. Kick it with you if she knew. If your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me.